My dear friends, today you have a topic, and I'm working on the idea given by Anvi, new generation and old generation. But though base idea of her, and I think she has taken the idea from the last 2 days activity
Yes,
activities
sir. Yes, sir.
that is going on in our class. So very good, Anvi, and I am very thankful of you to help me because I was not certain about the topic of today. But when you produced your idea, so there are two things in it. I praise your cleverness, your aptness, your understanding, and for this I appraise you. And in any way, you tried to help me by giving a thought of today's topic. So the base idea is of yours, thinking that you are you have given this idea on the base of last 2 days activity in batch B20. So today, but I have changed a bit in your topic, and because I think you would be more clear at the time of speaking if I tell you to speak about Frederick Max Muller. What do you know about him? And
Yes, sir.
also from the last 2 days activities, you would have an idea that Max Muller was great admirer of India, and he told us that, and you know very well his thoughts about India. So I think today's topic is clear to all that what do you know about Max Muller, whatever you know, and what do you think about his thoughts regarding our country. So I think everything is clear to you. If you have an issue, if you have any problem, you can tell me, and please keep your cameras switch on because it is a great source of my irritation. It is a great source of my irritation. Please try to understand it. Please try to understand me what I want you to do. Okay. So now I think you are ready to give your names for today's topic. Though, yes, very good. I've got some names. Very good. And out of these names, some names means only two names. And the topic is clear. What do you know about Max Muller? And what do you think about his thoughts about India? And if you like, you can take the help of your notes that you have written down in your notebooks. If you have done it, but if you haven't even write a single words from the last 2 days listening, then I can do nothing in it. But I think most of you have jotted down the the important things, the facts. So I think you are ready for it. Very good. So first of all, I am very good. Now I have got many names, and please listen to others so carefully so that you can also produce your thoughts in a way that should be clear. So okay, first of all, I'm calling Gaurav. I don't know where is Gaurav because I'm not able to see him. Sorry, I'm sorry to say that he's not here with us. Even I'm not able to identify his ID on my screen. So, okay, now I call Harshit. Come on, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Archit Maurya, and today's topic is Max Muller. And Max Muller was a person who belonged to foreign region, and he wrote about India, the greatness of India, and what India teaches the foreigners about the Indians and the culture, and what India teaches them. Before going to this topic, we must know that when was Muller born? So, he was born in 1823 and he passed away in 1900.
Shabash.
And Max Muller was born in Germany,
Hmm.
and he took the citizenship of Britain, and there he became the professor, and he also translated the Sanskrit text and these all things. And Max Muller teaches us many things that we must know as being a Indian or also being a foreigner. Like we must know that what is the greatness of India. Like he has told in the paragraph that we came to know yesterday that the human mind develops fully under the sky of India, and he also and we must know that he had two different he talked about two different Aryavartas that were first were towns where the most of the people commented about towns who belong to foreign regions, like there are markets and crowded places. And but second one, he told us that the greatness of India can only be seen in villages.
Hmm.
At last, I would like to say that Max Muller was a great person in my perspective as I'm an Bharatiya. So, in my opinion, he was a great to write about India being a foreign person. That's it, sir.
शाबाश. और मैं
Yes, sir. मैं
बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया बेटा आपने. वेरी गुड.
आ
वेरी
गया.
गुड. हाँ, एक मिनट बेटा. और एक मैं टॉपिक और दे रहा हूँ B22 वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, योगेश और प्रियंका के लिए. यू हैव टू स्पीक अबाउट माय टीचर. दिस टॉपिक इज ओनली फॉर Yogesh and Priyanka. Those are from B22. They can write their name in the message box. Okay, and they must be ready to speak according to their turn. So very good. That's Harshit. I'm very happy that you explained your thought. And now I'm calling Gaurav. Come on, Gaurav.
Yes. Sir, what's the topic?
This I won't tell you. Now listen to others and
Sir, I just joined.
no. And this is your fault, mister. If you have joined right now, this is 6-9.
Sir, sir, we are outside and
Okay,
we can
okay,
can't connect
okay,
net.
okay, okay. Max Muller and his thoughts about India. Now,
Acha. Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Gaurav. And this topic is about Max Muller. So, Max Muller was a German person who was a professor in Britain and also adopted the citizenship of Britain. And he wrote about India and translated Sanskrit texts, and he admired about India and India's culture. Like he wrote uh, in his paragraph that we listened tomorrow. Sorry, not tomorrow. Yesterday, that if someone said that where the human mind developed itself fully, so he would point on India. He loved India so much that but he hasn't uh, put in feet on India, but he knew that India is very developed before the world. And he also said that the brothers of England or the people of England will find it very shocked or very confusing to seeing by seeing him speaking these things, so he said that he's talking about the ancient India, not the modern India. That's it. Thank you, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। वो जो भी बोलो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ
जय
बोलो।
जय भारत।
सही गलत कुछ नहीं होता है, कम ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होता है, कॉन्फिडेंस होता है, सब कुछ कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलो बस। ओके, यस हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today, my topic is Frederick Max Fuller. So, first of all, who was he? He was a German by birth, but after some years, he took the citizenship of Britain and became a British citizen. And he was a professor at Oxford University of modern European languages, and he also translated many Sanskrit texts and commented on them. And one other learned person, Neeraj C. Chaudhary, declared him a extraordinary scholar.
एन एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी, एन एक्स्ट्रा रहा है ना, वहाँ पे थोड़ा फोकस करो आर्टिकल्स पे।
An extraordinary scholar. In his analysis, he says that if we find a place in the world which has all the power, wealth, beauty, and is a paradise where we can spend our whole life, and where we have the solution of all the problems of human life that the world is facing even today, then he should point towards India. And if a person asks to him that in what language or in what context the Europeans should be taught or told about, he should point towards India. And he also tells us about Aryavarta, which is also a name of which is also another name of India.
शाबाश।
And in his Aryavarta analysis, he says that the people who are not from India, but they have settled in India in the places like Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, etc. They see the Indian people as uncivilized, and they see that they are wearing the clothes where they are wearing the clothes like dhoti and kurta, and they think about the people of India as un as uncivilized and the people who do not have anything to do. But it is but to my view it is totally different, and this is same as the view of Frederick Max Muller. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छे से। You tried to put all the facts, even नीरज सी चौधरी, एंड वेरी गुड। मैं केवल ये देखना होता है हमारे को, अगर मैं बुलवा रहा हूँ आपसे तो व्हाट इज पर्पस ऑफ इट, दैट वेदर यू अंडरस्टूड और नॉट व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू फॉर द लास्ट 2 days। केवल ये देखना है मेरे को कि आप कितना समझे आप उस चीज को। आई एम नॉट आस्किंग एनी क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग दैट थिंग, बट इफ यू स्पीक हियर, if you produce your thoughts regarding that thing, so their grammar is not important here now, but the thoughts, whether you have or not,
Sir, anyone?
this is the main thing. So actually I have my own ways to evaluate you, to test you in different ways. So now come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Anand. Today I'm going to tell you about Max Muller and his thoughts regarding India. So Max Muller was a German by birth, and he had a citizenship of Britain. He born in 1823 and died in 1900. And he was great admirer of Indian culture, language, and society. He always admired the Indian society for many reasons, such as he believed that India is a good paradise. Under Indian sky, only a mind can fully develop. He compared India to paradise, which is like a heaven. And at his when he was younger, he was a professor at Oxford University of Modern European Languages, and there was a person who Neeraj C. Chaudhary who called him an extraordinary scholar. and he also translated, edited many Sanskrit texts of India that shows about his greatness and its concern towards learning about Indian culture and its language. And through his mind, he think that only India is a place where a human mind can fully developed. He think that Europeans lack that. Europeans don't have that much. Knowledge that Indians have even after studying the ideas of Pluto and Semitic races. He believed that Indians can teach like a illiterate Indian who doesn't know about much about the world can teach it can teach a European person that things which are very valuable, and the local natives of the India are that much developed through their mind that they are more than an European. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? मुझे जो आइडिया लग रहा है आप लोगों की सुन रहा हूँ मैं, तो मतलब क्लियर है वो जो मैं आपको करवा रहा हूँ, दैट इज क्लियर टू यू। यस, कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the topic that is about a person who is Frederick Max Muller. He's he's a
Yes,
he's a professor. He was a professor at Oxford University in Britain, and he was born in 1823 and died in 1900. And and when he was born, he was a German, but in his later life, he took the citizenship of Britain and became a professor of modern European languages at the Oxford University in Britain. And he was a great professor because uh, Nirad Nirad C. Chaudhary, another scholar, praised him and gave him the title of an a scholar extraordinary. Means he had special powers in his field. And and because he was a British, and he works he works for translating, commenting, and
पास्ट टेंस में जाएगा वो।
yes, sir. He worked for translating, commenting, and editing Sanskrit texts, which is an Indian language. That is a great thing that a British person worked on an Indian languages and praised India much more, praised India more than his or her more than his own country. And he said he told about India many things like India is a paradise on earth. If if he were called and asked that where is a paradise in the world, he would point to India. And in this way he gave his views about India, like the problems that are being faced by the mankind,
शाबाश।
that are being faced by the mankind can uh, can be sought out at in India, can be sorted out in India. And 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 also in India, and also he told that India is a place where a mind can be fully developed. And and also also he said that India is an endowed country in all the ways, like culture and and in different things. And and also at last he said that he at last he told about Aryavrat, which uh, Aryavrat that is also known as Bharat. And he told that there are two types of India. First is New India, second is Ancient India. And he was talking about the ancient India. And
And at last he told that real India lives in villages, and India is not at a place. It is in the heart of all the citizens. So that's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। थोड़ा सा वर्ड्स को आप, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो मीनिंग्स थे उनको आप आपने पूरी तरीके से एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया उनको आपने, तो उनको एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लोर करेंगे आप वर्ड्स को। आप लोगों की, कई लोगों की स्पीच में मैंने देखी वो चीज है ना, तो लाइक सेमेटिक रेस एंड लाइक एंडो, जो वर्ड्स आए थे एक बार मैंने लिखवा रखे हैं आपको सर, एक बार उनको रीचेक करें आप और अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग भी देखें आपने, क्योंकि वो बहुत जरूरी चीज है, ठीक है ना। बाकी सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है।
Okay, sir.
यस, कम ऑन अनवी।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My today's topic is about a person who appreciate India very much. So the name of his is was Max Muller. The life of Max Muller teach us that we are of Indian citizenship, but he he looked Britain country and he appreciate India. But nowadays, some people of our country do not appreciate our country. They like foreign citizens and Japan, etc. सर फार्दिक मैक्स मूलर है ना सर नाम उनका?
फ्रेडरिक मैक्स
Frederick Max Muller was a person who born in German and take the citizenship of Britain, and he loved India. He say India is the country that can do anything. Like he say that there are two type of India. First, ancient India, and second today's India. Ancient India live in village, but today's India live in cities. Ancient India is in our hearts. We can see the difference between ancient and today's India. That like in ancient India, people don't lock their gates, and they do not have lockers to keep their jewelries or rupees in it. Because in that time people are not clever that they can सर चुराने को क्या बोलते हैं
बेटा?
चुराने को क्या बोलते हैं?
चुराना, स्टील,
they can steal because they are not clever. Stolen because they are not clever like today's people. But in today's citizen, people check their lock again and again, and if the lock do not lock properly, they do not go outside.
Okay.
They do not go to outside. And there are lockers and lockers. There are a locker, and in locker there are lockers for keep jewelries or rupees. So you can imagine the difference between ancient and today's India. At the last, I want to say that Frederick Max Muller's life tell us many things. सर दैट्स इट। सर एक चीज और पूछूं?
हम्म,
सर आलू खाओगे?
खाएंगे आलू, जब तू बुलाएगी तेरे घर पे तब तेरे घर पे जाके आलू खाएंगे।
सर अभी तो मीठे आलू खा रहे हैं।
स्वीट पोटैटो।
तेरा भाई कह रहा है कि अभी मत आना, अभी नहीं खिला रहे हम आपको।
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये स्वीट पोटैटो खा रहे हैं मीठे वाले।
स्वीट पोटैटो इज नॉट पोटैटो। स्वीट पोटैटो पता है किसको कहते हो आप? शकरकंदी को।
शकरकंदी।
Very nice speaking by Anvi, and I appreciate Anvi for her confidence, also her thoughts. But uh, I would like Anvi to develop herself in other ways also. This, because I can have some expectation from you, knowing that you are able to fulfill that. So keep it up, beta. Come on, Vipin.
ओके सर। बोलो सर।
हाँ,
यस सर।
कैमरा
हेलो
चालू करके बोलो,
एवरीवन।
कैमरा चालू करके बोलो।
हेलो हेलो एवरीवन। टुडे माय टॉपिक इज अबाउट मैक्स मूलर। मैक्स मूलर Max Muller was a great person. He was a British. Max Muller was Max Muller was born on Max Muller was born on 6 December. He he became a Pointage comparative. He he wrote a many books.
ए और मैनी एक साथ कैसे आ सकता है बेटा?
He wrote a books.
ए और बुक्स कैसे आ सकता है बेटा?
He he wrote a famous book.
कैरी ऑन, कैरी ऑन। बेटा उसको धुलवा के देना बेटा, ऐसे मत देना बेटा। इसको देना, धुलवाने के लिए देना, ऐसे मत देना।
In 1843, writing on Spinoza's ethics and mastering Greek and Sanskrit, Max Muller died on 28 October.
Death, died.
Died on 28 October. And that's it, sir.
थोड़ा सा और क्लियर करो आप अपने आप को, है ना? अभी आपके सेम एज ग्रुप में अभी अनवी बोल के गई है, तो कहाँ पे कमी? 2 दिन से आप आ भी नहीं रहे हो क्लास में।
तो पेपर चल रहे थे।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ओके। कब तक चलेंगे?
सर आज खत्म हो गया, आज लास्ट था।
तो मंडे से आ जाओगे कंटिन्यू।
ओके
रखना बेटा, कंटिन्यू रखना है बेटा, उसमें इंप्रूवमेंट होगा बेटा तुम्हारा बहुत ज्यादा, है ना? हाँ बेटा, ओके बेटा, ठीक है बेटा, कोशिश करते रहो बस ऐसे बेटा, है ना? ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, बस और सुना करो सबको अच्छे से, तो बहुत अच्छा करने लग जाओगे। कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ऐसे, थोड़े से और थॉट्स होते हैं, थोड़े से और क्लियर होते हैं, पर ठीक है 2 दिन से आप आ भी नहीं रहे हो तो आप ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है बेटा, गुड गोइंग, कीप इट अप, यस कम ऑन। सुना करो सब लोग एक दूसरे को। आप कोमल,
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Berwa, and I am the student of Rampal Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. And today, our topic is Frederick Max Muller. And he was born on 1823, and he was died 1900. And he was a German, and he took British citizenship. And he was a professor and at in Oxford University, and he was
Oxford.
he,
Oxford.
yes, sir,
Hmm.
Oxford,
Hmm.
and it is a very modern language, and he translated, commented Sanskrit text, and it is very good thing that, and it is very good and big thing that the he a foreigner person took our language, and it is admiring our language and etc. And we all know
He
that.
admired our language. For form में focus करो हाँ.
Yes, sir. And we all know that Sanskrit language is also our Indian language, so it is good thing. And and a person whose name who a person admired him, who was Neeraj Singh Chaudhary, and he called him uh, scholar extra
Extraordinary.
an
Extraordinary.
extraordinary. And Frederick Max Muller wrote many books, and he translated also many things, and he is very good person. And Max Muller Max Muller was analyzes greatness of India, and he admired very much from India, and he thought that what is India, and he was very good. He was very happy that seeing that thing that Indians are solve their problems with many goodness, and he their problems, they maintain their problems. And he Frederick Max Muller admire India very much, and he admired Indian culture and literature and people, etc. And he told uh, about Aryavrat, and Aryavrat also a name of India. And in Aryavrat there is a two in India, like a new India and ancient India, etc. And he was a very good person for our India, and he tells our Indian culture and literature and many languages, etc. And Indians are very good, and he called that India is the heart of all citizen, and that's it, sir.
थोड़ा सा आज कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा है, फ्लो अच्छा है, और थॉट्स भी ठीक हैं, और थोड़ा सा वर्ड्स में और वर्ब फॉर्म में ये बहुत कॉमनली गलतियां अपन करते हैं। आजकल तुम इतनी गलतियां करती नहीं हो वर्ब फॉर्म में, लेकिन आज तुमने थोड़ा सा, कोई बात नहीं है, रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना आपने बेटा, है ना?
ओके सर।
हाँ बेटा, सुनना एक बार रिकॉर्डिंग, तो तुम्हें फील होगा कि यार मैंने कहाँ कहाँ पर किस तरह की गलतियां, सभी लोगों को सुननी चाहिए अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग। कितनी रिकॉर्डिंग होगी आपकी? ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 मिनट की, 3 मिनट की, 4 मिनट की। दैट इज ओनली फॉर योर इम्प्रूवमेंट, नथिंग, नॉट फॉर माई इम्प्रूवमेंट। ओके, मेरे एफर्ट्स मैं कर रहा हूँ, आपको भी अपने एफर्ट्स करने चाहिए, मेन बात
Yes,
यही
sir.
होती है बस। यस, कम ऑन लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is about Max Muller. And Max Muller was a great person, and he was born 1823 and died 1900. And yes, sir. In 1900, and he a he, he was a German person by his birth, and became a professor of of Oxford University, which is situated in Britain, and he analyzed about India. What is India? He admired about India, and he adapted
कहाँ है बेटा दादी?
and com- he adapted and
तुम्हारे कॉलेज में
commented on numerous Sanskrit texts, and Neeraj Singh Chaudhary has called him extraordinary scholar, and he admired Max Muller, and he and and in his analysis he
एनालिसिस
he
इन हिज एनालिसिस
analysis.
एनालाइज तो वर्ब हो गई
Yes,
उससे
sir.
एनालिसिस
Yes, sir.
नाउन
In his analysis he 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 said India is a great country in our earth, and
ऑन दिस अर्थ
And
ऑन द
he-
अर्थ
yes, sir, on the earth, and he said that India is a paradise, and he told about our India, and he told about Aryabhat, who is
Arya-
belong
बोल
who is belong to India, and he was a great man, and in my opinion he has not admired to his country as much as he admired to our country,
शाबाश
and he knew about all India, and someone said him, what is paradise? He pointed to India. India is like a paradise, and I am also Indian, and he was a great person according in my views. That's it, sir.
गुड और फोकस करना है थोड़ा सा ठीक है कुछ चीजों को और प्रोनाउंसिएशन और चीजें काफी अच्छा है एक दिन में नहीं होता है बट आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग अच्छा है वेरी गुड नो डाउट गर्वित करते रहो बेटा कोशिश ऐसे
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My name is Gareth and my today's topic is Max Loader. Max Loader.
क्या हुआ हम्म? क्या हो गया चलो इसको बाद में बुलाते हैं योगेश फ्रॉम B22 स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा बेटा एंड आराम से बोलना है कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ ठीक है बेटा बहुत सिंपल सा टॉपिक दिया है मैंने आपको माय टीचर बोलिए बेटा
Yes, sir. My name is Yogesh Sharma, and I am a student of Ramban classes. I live in Bayana. I read in 9th class.
हम्म
My topic is my teachers.
टीचर ओनली वन
Teacher. My teacher's name is Rajendra Guruji, and he was very great for me. He was very great for us with my friends.
वास क्यों लगा रहे हो
Sorry. He he is he is very great for us.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
He is very happy and kind
Hmm. Kind man. हाँ बोलो.
kind man. He he teaches math and he teaches ninth and 10th
शाबाश
class.
शाबाश शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया. Hmm.
He he comes daily regularly
Hmm.
and he comes school on time.
Hmm. ऐसे बोले जा, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ, ये सब ऐसे ही थे जितने भी बैठे हुए हैं ना, अभी जो बोल रहे हैं फटफट फटफट, ये सब ऐसे ही थे बेटा. किसी जमाने पूछ लेना इनसे भी. बोल तू. Hmm.
He
Hmm.
he is very happy in all teachers
With all teachers. हाँ.
with all teachers.
हाँ.
He is a very great teacher.
Hmm.
He
कहाँ
he
कहाँ रहते हैं, क्या उनके शौक हैं, कितनी उनकी एज है, फोकस करो थोड़ा. हाँ.
he lives in Bayana.
Hmm.
He he is 45 years old.
Hmm. Hmm.
He he likes reads
Likes reading and
and
हाँ.
teaching. Huh?
He likes reading and teaching. Hmm. हाँ.
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे कोशिश करो बस. ठीक है ना. हाँ, एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होगा, लेकिन धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा. वन बिट बाय बिट होती हैं चीजें. बहुत अच्छा है. बस ऐसी कोशिश करो, सब ठीक हो जाओगे बिल्कुल. ठीक है बेटा. यस. आया नहीं क्या गर्वित? नहीं आया. तुम आ जाओ प्रियंका. प्रियंका इज आल्सो फ्रॉम B22. Yes, हाँ बेटा.
Good evening, sir.
Very good.
Hello, friend. My name is Priyanka Jain. Today's topic is my teacher. My teacher's name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He lives in Jaipur.
Hmm.
He age 57 years.
His age is
His age is he he likes teaching. He good teacher.
Hmm.
He takes online classes.
गुड गोइंग. कीप इट अप. क्या बात मैडम, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो.
He does not teach in the school.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश. बोलते जाओ. वेरी गुड. कॉन्फिडेंस रखो बस. Hmm.
I listen to my husband. Good. I listen to
हिंदी बोल दो.
my. मैंने अपने पति से सुना था कि वो सर बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं.
I heard
I
from my
heard
husband that he teaches
I-
very nice. हाँ.
I heard from my husband
That कनेक्टिव लगाओ.
at
That नहीं, that.
he- that
हाँ. अब अगला क्लोज बोलो.
he good teacher.
He is good teacher. हाँ. Hmm.
Uh, there are two children.
He has two children.
He has two children.
Hmm.
He goes to temple
शाबाश शाबाश.
on Tuesday
शाबाश,
at
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
खोले के हनुमान जी.
Hmm.
He goes to he goes to morning walk in Delhi.
Delhi. Okay. Hmm.
He is he is punctual. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. आज बहुत अच्छे से किया आपने. ऐसे बोला करो, मेंटेन करके रखो अपने को. यहाँ से नीचे नहीं जाना है. अब आपको समझ गया ना, आप ऊपर जाना है, ऊपर नीचे नहीं जाना. इतना जहां आप आए हो ना, जिसको मेंटेन करके रखो आप. इसी कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ में आप रोजाना अपना परफॉर्म करो बस, और कुछ नहीं करना है इसके अलावा. हम कोई भी आपको ऐसा टॉपिक नहीं देंगे जिसके बारे में आपको पता नहीं होगा. बिल्कुल सिंपल सिंपल से टॉपिक देंगे जिसके बारे में आपको पता होगा. धीरे धीरे से अपने आप को तैयार करो, है ना? ठीक है. गुड गोइंग. गर्वित नहीं आया. सो ओके, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग आई थिंक खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. My name is Kush Gujar. I am telling about Frederick Max Muller. As you know that I am also Indian, so I am so happy heard Max Muller.
Hearing. I am too happy hearing
Hearing.
about Max Muller.
He was born in 1823 in Germany, and died in 1900. He was great. He was a great professor in Oxford University,
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया.
and he wrote a book in 1882 whose name is India. What can it teach us?
शाबाश.
And he promoted he admired India a lot, and he studied Sanskrit deeply and promoted Sanskrit language, and Neeraj Singh Chaudhary called him extraordinary scholar, and Max Muller said that India is a great country, and like India is like beautiful paradise, and it has a lot of things, and that's it, sir.
बेटा बहुत अच्छा बोला आज तूने. आज तेरी सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग बहुत शानदार. तेरे थॉट्स हम ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है यहाँ पर, है ना? but your confidence, your flow.
काफी कुछ था लेकिन
कोई बात नहीं, मैं उसको उसकी कंप्लेंट नहीं कर रहा हूँ। मैं आपने जो नहीं किया मैं उसकी शिकायत नहीं कर रहा हूँ आपसे। मैं आपने जो किया है मैं उसको प्रेज कर रहा हूँ। मेरी आदत पता है क्या है? लोग देखते हैं 100 में से कितने आए, मान लो 100 में से 90 नंबर आ गए, तो लोगों का उल्टा नजरिया है या पता नहीं मेरा उल्टा नजरिया है। लोग देखते हैं 10 क्यों नहीं आए, वो 90 नहीं दिखाई देते उनको। और मेरा उल्टा सोचना है थोड़ा सा, मैं 90 के लिए उसको अप्रिशिएट करूंगा। 90 ज्यादा होता है 10 ज्यादा होता है?
सर 90
तो 90 की बात करनी
90
चाहिए ना, पहले तो 90 की बात करनी चाहिए ना। 90 का तो क्रेडिट दे ही नहीं रहे आप उसको। 90 तो ऐसे ही आ गए उसके, 90 भी तो उसकी मेहनत से ही आए ना। जो नहीं आए तुम उसके लिए उसको उसको कह रहे हो, कहो, और जो आया है उसके लिए प्रेज भी तो करो ना। सो आई एम प्रेजिंग यू फॉर योर परफॉर्मेंस and I would like to say you that okay, no problem, sometimes we we lose our thoughts, but this is another thing. Okay, you can improve it, but speaking confidently, framing sentences in a proper way, this is the main thing. So very good. Okay. Shabash. सिमरन, सिमरन कहाँ गई?
Yes, sir.
आ जा।
Hey everyone, good evening. I'm Simran, and today I'm telling about Max Muller, and uh, his thoughts about India. So, first of all, I telling about Max Muller. Who is Max Muller? Max Muller is a great
वाज बेटा नहीं है
admirer.
बेटा, वो वाज,
Sorry.
थोड़ा सा फोकस कर बेटा।
He was a great
एडमायरर,
admirer, and he was born in German Germany, and he was born, I think, 1823,
in
and
1823
he was in 1823, and he was died in 19
1900
1900. Okay, and he but he was born in Germany, but later he uh, he took he took citizenship of England,
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, वेरी गुड, ऐसे बोल बेटा।
and he told about a lot of India, and he he was not Indian, but he was studies a lot
He
of
studied, was
some
studies नहीं, he studied.
studied Sanskrit, and when he was young, he become a professor.
became बेटा,
Became a professor in Oxford University, and where he told about and he told about Indian culture and people and literature and many things. But he and translated and commented about Sanskrit
on
and
Sanskrit, commented on Sanskrit, he translated. हाँ बोल बेटा,
Sanskrit
बोल, हाँ।
and uh, he was he was a admirer. So
Admirer.
admirer.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. And mm, mm, he didn't belong India.
To India.
He didn't move India, but he liked Indian culture. So he told about a lot of India, and I think he told about ancient India, ancient Indian culture, and uh, and okay, मद्रास सिंह यस सर मद्रास क्या नाम था उनका
नीरज सिंह चौधरी किसका
धीरज जिन्होंने उसे वो कहा था ना ग्रेट ऑक्सफोर्ड
नीरद सी चौधरी
नीरज सिंह
उन्होंने उसको कहा था स्कॉलर एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी
यस सर मिस्टर नीरज सिंह चौधरी सिंह जो भी है सर
नहीं है ये सी है ये जो भी है कैसे हो जाएगा सिंह की जगह सी तो बोलना है तेरे को
सी ओके सर मिस्टर धीरज सिंह चौधरी was called a great admirer.
Called him Neeraj C. Chaudhary called him a
Neeraj
scholar
C.
extraordinary. आगे सेंटेंस बोल अब तो छोड़ दे इसको.
Okay, sir. So Max Muller wrote a book on Indian culture, and that's it.
शाबाश. अरे बहुत अच्छा हमें पता है तू कहाँ से उठा के लाए हम तेरे को क्या पता हमको पता है तेरे को हम उठा के कहाँ से लाए मेरे से ज्यादा खुशी किसको होगी परफॉर्मेंस देख के बेटा तेरी परफॉर्मेंस देख के मेरे को पता है ना एक मूर्तिकार को पता होता है ना उसने कैसी मूर्ति बनाई है उस मूर्ति का तेरे को थोड़ी पता बेटा बहुत अच्छा कर रही है वेरी गुड यस कम ऑन नाउ इट इज द टर्न ऑफ अंजलि कम ऑन यस अंजलि अंजलि
Yes, sir.
yes
Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Mein and my today's topic is Max Muller. He was German by birth and adopted citizen of England.
adopted the
He
citizenship
admired
of India. हाँ बोल
Yes, sir. He admired of India culture, religion, and humanity. He was the professor of New European languages. He also called extraordinary scholarship by the Neeraj C. Chaudhary, and he said that India does not judge by its cover. That's it, sir.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं बेटा बहुत अच्छी अब तो कहीं फंक्शन में है कोई बात नहीं बेटा आप एंजॉय करो आप है ना एंजॉय बेटा यस कम ऑन आदित्य
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donawat and I am the student of Ramban online introductory classes from B20. Today's our topic is Frederick Max Muller.
स्पीड अपनी आवाज बढ़ाओ थोड़ी सी
Yes, sir. as we all know that Max Muller is a great person in the world. He is a he he was a very uh, he was a foreigner, and and any Indian can't imagine that any foreigner can understand our country, and they like India because they
ही क्या आना चाहिए ना,
they
दे क्यों आना
think
चाहिए?
he he think that India India is very is very complicated country because so many secrets are are here, and 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 about my calculation, I think they born in 1823 and they died
दे नहीं
in
बेटा, ही आएगा बेटा, एक ही तो व्यक्ति है बेटा.
he died in 1900, and it is very sad thing for their parents.
बेटा हिज आएगा ना बेटा यार, देर क्यों आएगा? तेरे कहाँ खुद में बैठा हुआ है देर और देर? एक ही आदमी की बात कर रहा है ना बेटा. मैक्स मुलर, ही इज ओनली वन पर्सन. यूज ही फोकस करो बेटा, बोल बेटा.
Okay, sir. And I like that person because he is very
He was.
he was very nice person, and German, and he born in Germany, and they became a professor of
बेटा फिर दे यार, क्यों मेरे को इरिटेट कर रहा है यार?
he became a professor, and he liked so much
लाइक्ड बेटा, पास्ट टेंस में आएगा उसका. लाइक्ड.
he liked so much Sanskrit, and it is very favorite subject, and it is very favorite subject of him.
शाबाश.
And I like that thing so very nice because any person don't like Sanskrit because they can't know how this language is very confused language because we can't understand this language, but Friedrich Max Muller understand that thing, and they made very big person in the world. आंसर उनका नाम क्या था?
नीरज सी चौधरी.
And Neeraj C. Chaudhary see something special in Max Muller, and their guess is very correct, and they so many things in his heart and his mind, and Friedrich Max Muller said that India's culture and so many wonders like Taj Mahal and other palaces is very nice, and the king of the India is very, and the king of the India is very clever because they know that in the future how India and what is the India become in the future, and they research on India because other countries don't like India because they say that what is this, which kind of cloth Indian person wear, and it is very weird thing for that person. But Frederick Max Muller never feel that it is very crazy person. They Indian people is very smart person in the world because they can solve any problem and that other country person can't solve that thing. Yes, that's it.
सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया था, बार बार कहने के बाद भी आपने देखो नहीं छोड़ा। एक तो बार बार कहने के बाद में आप प्रेजेंट टेंस में सारा बताते चले गए, जबकि आपको पास्ट टेंस यूज करना चाहिए था जहां पर जरूरत थी। बार बार बताने के बाद भी आपने फोकस नहीं किया, और बार बार बताने के बाद भी आप गलतियां करते रहे। बाकी सब बढ़िया है, आपका थॉट्स हैं, सेंटेंसेस वगैरह, वर्ब फॉर्म में गलती की है आपने, और बार बार बताने के बाद भी आप उसको ठीक नहीं कर रहे हो, ये सबसे बड़ी गलती है आपकी। ठीक है बेटा, ध्यान देना चाहिए चीजों पे, फोकस नहीं था आपका। मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, आप थोड़ा ध्यान देते तो ये गलतियां नहीं होती, बहुत अच्छा रहता आपका ये। लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, आगे से ध्यान दो आप थोड़ा सा। ओके, यस, कम ऑन अनुज।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today uh, the topic is Max Muller, and the person that we have been talking about for 3 days, and he was a great admirer of India. He was born uh, in 1823 and died in 1900. He was German. He was German by birth. Then he adopted the citizenship of British, and became a professor of European languages in Oxford University, England. And he translated, edited, and commented on the numerous Sanskrit texts of India. And he was interested in knowing the culture of India, its history, and its people. And Niraj C. Chaudhary called him, another scholar called him extraordinary scholar. And that's it, sir.
ओके ओके, कोई बात नहीं, मेहनत करो। और अभी चलिए, और कोई रह तो नहीं गया? थैंक यू वेरी मच।